No, now we've got this middle bit. I'll put that in place.
There is a pencil.
Okay. This is the last part. The last section. Basically all I do is line it up and mark it out. I don't mark it all the way across because it won't be a straight line. So I just mark in the corner and then I use the set square. I've got to cut this bad boy. Righto, I have to cut that portion off. It sucks. I'll try to use the ladder if I can. Nah, it's not going to work. It's too high or too low. But I need to move it. Sorry, honey. I should have had another mask for you. Right, let's see if it fits. Oh yeah, tight. Ow. Ow. That hurt. The bottom sticks out somehow. bones. It's good and tight, I'll give it that. Tight. My new song. I don't think the neighbours like it. Good chorus. Oh, so good. Look at that. Just excellent. Celebration of a nation.
With toast.
Oh yeah. Can't wait. Remember, cut twice, measure once. Think about it. It's the other way around. I've made that mistake more than once. It's always better to cut it a little bit too big. And I actually cut it outside the line on purpose, thinking that maybe we'll have to shave a little off. But it's just damn perfect. I wish there was a way to... That's as close as it's going to get. Oh! Where are my replacements? It didn't happen too often, but it does happen regularly. You get them by the packet. It's like Tic Tacs. Damn it! Must be something about that angle. I just want to put that little screw, that little head that's sticking out like 1 millimeter. I want to put that thing under, and then we're done anyway. Or maybe I'll find the drill bit a little later, because both the screws are in, and I'll just have to drill it a little later on. Anyway, it's excellent. That's all I wanted to do today anyway. This very, very thick bit of lumber all around the bottom. The air vents are still exposed, so the air vents actually make sense. I don't think we'll be putting up another rung of timber, maybe not for 6 months, or maybe we do it next year. But this year, we're just going to have this one. That's basically the start of what the garden bed is. Now we can dig in here, get the soil up and loose, and then get our amendments and bring those in. Tomorrow I have a friend coming in, He's a greenhouse grower. He's the one who gave me some tips. He's going to give me some advice on what I can do with the space here and what's probably the best way to grow. So I'll get back to you and fill you in on that information. Did you see the cool corners and everything? Everything's very solid. Everything's very nice. So this is what I'm talking about, a proper right angle. If you put another rung on, you still have to cut that 45 degree out to fit it in. But I'm very happy with how it turned out. If you look along the whole length, it came out very, very well. Very straight. And it looks like the beginnings, to me, of a real greenhouse. A real greenhouse. So tune in next week. I'm doing weekly videos now. To John Green here on Green Ideas. I'll probably be sweating a little more because it's getting warmer now. It's nearly, the middle of April. It's raining a bit, but it's very warm in between. So I'm looking forward to what is going to happen in the next few days. I'm going to order some soil this weekend, and over the next week I'm going to film what's going to happen in here. You can see over here I've already started trying to dig up, so when we put the soil amendments in, the whole ground will be fertile. This side of the greenhouse will be digging in the ground. This side, the other side of the greenhouse is going to be the raised bed. So we'll see what happens. We're not really sure, but it's an open plan at the moment. I'm going to order some more 4x2 wood and put some lattice up here so we can hang grapes, and that's going to be very awesome. So stay tuned for that as well. I don't know if I'm cutting more wood today, but certainly I'll do the same thing that I did on this side, and I'll do it on that side of the garden as well. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hey, donate if you want to. You don't have to if you want to. It's oldschooljohnny@live.com, or there's that link down in the description. It does help me get materials and things. It's taken me months just to get these wooden sleepers. Months. It's been quite a savings. But I think it's an investment. You know, well worth it, really.